Before the video, please make sure you are on the latest version Photoshop 2023. Alright. Select the newest feature. Object Selection tool. When you roll over different parts of your image, you will see that object or parts of objects will appear highlighted. Select the backpack first. Right-click and click Delete and Fill Selection. Not perfect, but don't worry. Then select the man and the skateboard. Right-click and click Delete and Fill Selection. It takes a few seconds to run it. Alright. Use Lasso tool. Select the not perfect parts. Right-click and click Delete and Fill Selection. Keep going to fast retouch the other parts. Alright. Use Magic Wand tool. Select the shadow. Choose the Object Selection tool. Right-click and click Delete and Fill Selection. Perfect. I want to retouch this area. Now you can easily retouch the photo. Thank you for watching and see you soon for another video.